Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to pay Venmo with a credit card. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and be opening up the official Venmo application. So if you're on your PC browser, you're going to go to venmo.com. This is the main URL, after which you'll be greeted by the home page. If you're on your mobile phone, you're going to go ahead and open up the Venmo app, so go ahead and download it and open it up, and now we can get started. So the first thing we need to do once we have opened up Venmo is to log in. So if you're on your PC, you can go and click get Venmo right here to start registering on your mobile phone. Just follow the steps to register with your phone number, and once you have done so and got yourself an account, you want to log in. So after you're logged in, now you'll be greeted by the home page on your mobile phone. It's going to look like this. So this is going to be your home page from where we can get started. You'll be able to access all the sections you have, such as your home section, your account settings, and so on, and we can get started making payments. So guys, you'll be able to pay on Venmo using your credit card so that you can top up your balance and so on. It's very easy, and all you have to do is just, as you can see right here at the bottom screen, in the sections tab you have multiple sections options, and one of them is called cards. So what you want to do is click on cards. By opening up the cards section, this is going to enable you to add any card that you're using to your Venmo, and from there you'll be able to access your card's balance using Venmo. So follow the steps, enter in your card info, card number, and so on, everything you need, and get started with using your cards for payments using Venmo. And it's easy as that. Add everything after that. You can pay money, request money, and so on, and that's how you get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.